Either you're sitting at your desk, trying to access your important email account on Newton. But there's a problem: two-factor authentication is blocking your way. Question: what authenticator app should you use to bypass this security hurdle and get back to your inbox? Building context. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, is a security measure that adds an extra layer of protection to your accounts. It requires you to provide a second piece of information, in addition to your password, to verify your identity. This could be a code sent to your phone via SMS or generated by an authenticator app. Newton, a popular email client, supports 2FA. But with so many authenticator apps available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Exploring options. Let's dive into some of the most popular options and discuss their pros and cons. 1. Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator is a free app available on both iOS and Android. It's simple to use and integrates seamlessly with Google services. However, it's limited to QR code setup and doesn't offer advanced features like backup codes. 2. Authy. Authy is another popular choice that offers both QR code and SMS setup. It allows you to sync your codes across multiple devices using cloud backup. Authy also provides advanced features like biometric authentication and security audits. 3. Microsoft Authenticator. If you're heavily invested in the Microsoft ecosystem, Microsoft Authenticator is a natural choice. It integrates well with Microsoft services and offers features like push notifications and biometric authentication. 4. Duo Mobile. Duo Mobile is a versatile app that supports multiple authentication methods, including push notifications, SMS, and hardware tokens. It's also compatible with a wide range of services and offers advanced security features. 5. 1Password. 1Password is more than just an authenticator app. It's a password manager that can store and generate secure passwords for all your accounts. It offers a convenient way to manage your 2FA codes along with your other login credentials. Choosing the right app. When selecting an authenticator app, consider the following factors. Compatibility. Ensure the app is compatible with Newton and the other services you use. Features. Decide which features are important to you, such as backup codes, biometric authentication, and push notifications. Ease of use. Choose an app that is intuitive and easy to navigate. Security. Look for apps that prioritize security and have a good reputation. Additional tips. Backup codes. Always generate backup codes and store them securely. These codes can be used to access your accounts if you lose your device or encounter other issues. Biometric authentication. Consider using biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, to add an extra layer of security. Regular updates. Keep your authenticator app and other security software up to date to protect against vulnerabilities. Conclusion. The best authenticator app for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. By carefully considering the factors discussed in this video, you can choose an app that will keep your Newton account secure and prevent unauthorized access. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.